Hi all, I'm Techie. Uh, so today I have brought very interesting formula and technique for copying the data from one sheet to another. So there are so many occasions we had to come across that we had to copy the data from one sheet to the another sheet. So the one way is to copy the entire data from one sheet and paste it on the other sheet. This is uh, the one method or one way. Another way, we can use the array method. Means using array, we can copy the data from one sheet to another without any condition. In that case, the entire data which we have selected in the range will be copied from one sheet to another. And after that, I'll take you to the function which is known as the filter function, a bit advanced function, and this will help you to copy the data from one sheet to another with some given criterion. So how to do that? So how to copy the data from one sheet to another sheet, and how to apply the filter function to copy the data from the specific criteria from one sheet to another. So let's move to our Google Sheet. So here this is a sheet and this area is blank here, and I want to copy the data from this sheet, and I want to copy this much data from this sheet to combined sheets which is blank, and after that sheet I want to copy this data also from this sheet to combined sheet. So how to use it, how to copy it? So do one thing, we move to the target sheet. So this is the target sheet, and here I'm going to copy the data from data sheet 1 from this sheet to this sheet. So my active sheet is combined sheets. So what do I do here? I'll do first step. First I'll write the equal sign. First I select the cell where I want to copy the data from another sheet. So this is a cell in which I want to copy the data. So here I'll type equal sign and then curly brackets, and it makes the array. And as soon as you press curly bracket, it opens for the argument. So what I am going to do here, I'll go to the source sheet here and going to copy, select the area which I want to copy. So this area I have selected and simply press or close the brace and press enter. So see here, without copying and pasting, I have brought the data from data sheet 1 to combined sheets. Similarly, I want to copy the data from data sheet 2 to this current sheet. So how to do that? For that, I have selected the cell in which I want to bring that data, and again I'll have to type equal sign and curly bracket or brace, and we'll move to data sheet 2, and here I'm going to copy this entire data, this much, and close the brace. and press enter. So see here, another portion of data is copied here from data sheet 1. So this way we can copy the data from one sheet to another. And one more thing, and suppose I delete this array, I have deleted it and my data goes off, and I want to again copy, then equal curly bracket starts, then I'll move to data sheet 2, and this time I'll take only this data and close the brace and enter. And see here on data sheet 2, this column was also there, E, but I left that column and copied only this area. So see here, only this area is copied from that sheet. Okay, so this is the case how you can copy the data from one sheet to another. And the next I want to discuss, that is a filter. What I want to copy the data from this sheet, only those students whose name is Ram. Okay, so let's move to this sheet, and here I want to copy that data from the data sheet 1 where the student name is Ram. So here I'll apply the formula or filter the data from that sheet. For that I'll type equal sign and then filter and filter. Now it asks for range. So what is the range? So I have to mention the range here. So going to the data sheet 1, so I am taking the range from here to this. I have taken the range. So range is selected. Then the next thing, the condition. So condition is I want to take the data of Ram, that is I'll have to take this is equal to Ram and close. Okay, so it was showing some error because I have selected range from A1. So this way I have selected A1 to A10. This is range. In this range Ram should be there, and as soon as I press enter, you see here data from Ram is copied here. So what is the condition here? See here, this is data, the entire range, and from this range I want to filter only A1 to A10 where name is Ram. Fine. So this way we can uh, use filter, because filter, when you use filter, then we'll have to uh, understand the generic name of filter. Means you want to filter out the data from the given range. So this way we can apply filter, and we can use not only one condition, we can use multiple conditions also. Suppose I want to take the data of Ram and subject physics. So here I'll copy, I mean, second condition. My second condition is, again I'll have to move to here, and this is equal to physics. And now press enter. So see here, Ram and physics. So condition was the name should be Ram and the subject should be physics. So we have applied or filter out the data of student Ram and having physics subject only. So this way we can apply filter, means we can filter out the data from the selected range. So hope you understood the filter function, how to copy the data from one sheet to another, how to apply single condition, and how to apply multiple conditions. So thank you so much. So we'll meet in the next video, and one thing I would like to remind you that if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it so that you get the notification. Yeah, you will have to press the bell icon also, so that you get the notification as and when the new video is created. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.